Okay, so today I wanted to show you guys the extensions that I've been using. They are by Bellami and how I put them in. So if you're interested, keep watching.
I'm watching.
Thanks for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is my natural hair. I just put a few curls and waves in it before, just so I can make sure that I got all of my hair curled. I am using Bellami hair extensions, and these are the BOO-GATTI in Ash Brown number 60. So before I put in my extensions, I curled them. They look ringlety, but I'm gonna comb them out and that will create the big waves. And I did that with this curling wand, also by Bellami. So let's put them in. So these extensions are so thick and they look so natural, and that's one thing I love about Bellami. Hi.
Hi.
Say I'm a cutie.
I'm crazy.
You are a cutie, aren't you? I love you, Ledge. Mwah.
I see good.
We're gonna take the middle part, okay?
Oh.
You gonna comb my hair? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Thank you. Now we comb it all together. And this is the final look. There is so much hair and I love it, and I love how soft it is and how natural these look and feel. So if you guys want a discount code, I have it in the description box. Say thanks for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.